Hello mensen, hi people. Okay, what's the date today? I don't know. I'll have to check it up. It's Thursday, that's all I know. Okay, I'll tell you later on what's the date. Later aan die datum gee. Back to the Leicester motor. Now, I've taken the alternator off. It's now moved backwards. And there is a flywheel, and I'm going to replace the oil seal. So now I must take the drilling machine. Oh my goodness, I must go and fetch that thing. Nou moet ek die boormasjien kry en 'n gate boor. O my, nou moet ek die boormasjien gaan haal. Okay, there is a drilling machine, there's a boormasjien. Kom ons kyk of die gate kan boor daar. Don't know if you can see that. Ek weet nie of julle kan sien daar nie. Gaan dit hier kan wees. Van hier af. Inzoom. Ja, inzoom. Stupid. Yep. Elektronica. Electronic stuff. Very blunt, baie stomp boor hier. Very blunt. Drill. Nou moet ek 'n skroef indraai. En hierdie bucket en ek get something out of the bucket. Alright. Ek die emmer kry. Skroewe. Twee skroewe. Skroewe draai. Let's zoom into the story again. Het is weer een zoom daar. Come on, right. First, eerst vee die gemors af. Just to wipe it off, the metal drillings. It is there. Oh, there's it all. Turn it in with a screw there. Come on now. Come, draai it in. Too thick. Okay, let's try a thinner one. also not. Must I get a thicker drill? A dikke boor kry. Stuk genoeg. Nou, waarom wil jy nou nie ingaan nie? Why don't you understand? Come on. Just please go in. Come on. Okay, which is 20th, Thursday, the 20th of August, 2026. Dis die 20ste, die donderdag, 20ste, Augustus 2026. Nou die screws, nou skroewe nou in, the screws are turned in. Zoom in further, see, one on the left hand side there, and one on the right hand side here. Okay, so now I must go and get a side cut or something and pull it out. Right, so there's nothing wrong with this seal, it's soft. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong with it. Why is it leaking? It's stuffed. Now, it's flat there. There must be a point. It mustn't be flat. En nie plat wees daar nie, met 'n punt hê. Let's show you. Go in the sunlight. Kom ons gaan nou aan die sonlig in. En ek kan beter sien dan. Hier in die son. Ek weet nie of jy kan sien daar nie. There. See your flat out is there. It's worn flat. Met plat gesluit. Hier. Kyk, die olie is aan die binnekant. Between the two lips. Tussen die twee lippe is die olie. Maar is plat gesluit daar. En hy moet skerp wees, soos deze. Ek sien hy skerp rand. Kyk. Okay. Kyk, dit is plat daar. Daar binnekant is plat. Oeps. Dit is flat there. Dit is plat daar binne. So, then this way. Weet nie of jy kan sien daar nie. Is plat daar. Goed, en dan moet skerp wees. Sien daar, it's skerp, it's sharp. So this one is one. It's stuffed. Okay, let's go back with my oily hands. Ek was baie suinig op deze rooi ribbe grease. I'm very stingy on this red rubber grease. Yeah, so very expensive and difficult to find. Okay, now I must put it back into there. Weer insit in 'n plek daar. In kap. Bank it in its place. Right, let's see. Clean something. A little bit there. Okay. Maybe put a little bit of grease on the shaft there. Don't know if it's going to help. Weet nie of dit gaan werk nie. Okay. Emma. Shouldn't come out. It's quite tight fit there. Tight fitted or whatever. Tamelijk vast, stijf vast daar. Nou die waar is die key by. Okay. Here is the key. Okay, let's put the key in. What that turns this direction. Kaboom. So, right. And then I must put the flywheel back. That's quite a story, this one. It's a heavy story, this one. Okay, let's go back there. sit. Alright. I don't have a tool for that. Ek het nie 'n gereedskap vir dit. Daai groot bout. So I have to chisel it in. So ek moet dit maar met 'n spuitel inkap. Oopsie. Don't. Severely damaged. Tamelik beskadig deze. Kom eens kyk as ek die plaatjie op 'n ander plek heb. Die compression, otherwise I can't turn it. So. Okay. Right. Take this. That is okay. Let's have a look what I've done there. I could bonk that plate onto there, the locking plate, so that it will prevent it from coming loose. Alright, so now I can just give it a go for 5 seconds. I don't want the vibration to let this fall down there. As dit daar inval, dan kan ek hom nie uitkry nie. Dit is ontsettend zwaar. It's very heavy. I don't want it to fall into there. Okay. That's good to go. Now I must just move this back into place. The shaft is already on front there. I didn't undo the coupling. There's heel veel werk vir die koppeling daar. That's why I did this. So it's quicker. And then I can put this shaft back onto the 3-cylinder yellow motor up there, the industrial engine. Dan is dit ook goed. Dan is hy ook reg. So nou gaan ek net alles weer terug aan mekaar sit. Then I'm going to put everything back together again. They're all tight. Those 4 bolts, they're tight, and those 2 at the front there, the little ones, they're 8mm. These are 10. They're all now secured. Vastgedraai. Dan moet ek net daar 3 moere daar sit. Inside there, daai wat daar kom by die koppeling. Daar. Now just put them back. Goed, ek het nou die weer terug. Excuse me. En daar is teruggedraai. All tight. Those 3 nuts there. Okay, so die 3 moere is nou teruggedraai daar. Of draaien daar so. En alles goed. Dan kan hy nog 20 jaar hou deze seel weer. I did this about, when was it? 2006, I think. Yeah, 2006, 2005. I replaced the seal on this motor. Ek het die seal in 2005, 2006, iewers daar rond. Het ek die seal vervang. Dus so ek kan nog 20 jaar hou. Ja, 2016 is 2026 is 20 jaar. Wat die seal hier in die motor is. Daai een wat ek nou uitgedraai het, die teiken wat uitgehaal is. The leaking seal I took out just now was 20 years in this engine. So now it can last another 20 years. En deze motor, compressiegewijze, je moet hem vasthouden om hem oor te draaien. Want als je hem zo maakt, dan kom je weer terug. Turns back to the original. You must push it and hold it there to let the compression bypass the ring through the ring grooves or gaps. Tussen die ring gaping deur kan gaan die lug. So jy moet hom draai en vashou. Anders dan spring hy weer terug. So die motor is nog heel goed. Okay. So I don't need to buy a Honda engine or anything else. This will outlast my lifetime. Dit sal my hele lewe lank hou deze. Ek het nie nodig om 'n Honda of iets anders te koop nie. Koop nie. So ek sê tot van deze video. Bye-bye from this video. Tot de volgende video sê ek tot ziens. Until the next video sê bye-bye. Peace and stay safe. Bly veilig en so aan. En nie violent wees nie. Don't be violent. The hate wars. I don't know what's that for. Weet nie waarvoor dit is. Oorlog bedoeling is nie. So. Anti-oorlog. Right. Anti-war. That's now into its place. Dis nou ook in sy plek. Okay. Dankie vir inskrywing. Thanks for subscribing. For the third time, say bye-bye. Tot de volgende keer. Ja, tot ziens vir die derde keer. Not yet gone. Deze een het 'n veldseel agter. En daardie ene daar aan die kant by die iemand se Suzuki daar. That one also has an oil seal with white felt seal in it. So here and here it is rubber oil seal. So this one here, the one I use for the welding, or when the solar isn't working right, for the weather is too bad or something, then I use it for electricity. It has an oil seal, rubber oil seal. Threw it in a crash bin there. Ek het daar ingegooi in die rubbish bin. So that one has an oil seal, a felt oil seal, and that one also has a felt oil seal. The green one on the pump there in the cage, in die hok. Reg. Tot ziens, bye.